75% will go to a community via airdrop. Wow, this is a huge number. Huge number. Let's keep reading. At the top, adding liquidity early. This is what we're doing today. Retrospective token allocation to early participant. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. Today we're doing ICP, the first DEX on ICP Sonic. This is like Uniswap, but for ICP, the coin that went down from like $700 to $20. Maybe $20 is a buy. We're gonna buy a coin. Let me show you exactly what's going on, because 75% of the total tokenomics goes to you and me. That's a keeper. I'm excited. Let's effing go. So we're doing airdrop guide Sonic on ICP. Sonic is the first DEX on ICP. We covered its testnet in August. Wow, when it was called D-Finance. Good to know. I didn't do airdrops in August, but there's no coin yet, so that's good. And now they said Sonic went live on ICP mainnet recently. Still haven't launched its token Sonic. It's now allocating, mean confirm airdrop, but not just 1%, 0.1%, 75% of Sonic for the community. There may be retroactive for the people that add the liquidity early, which is basically now, because this article is from 3 days ago. Is an active member helped develop the code? Okay, that's great question. Before we go, okay, basically just look at the tokenomics before we do anything. 5% public sale, that means retail buying after the coin is live. 20% for the team, vested monthly for 4 years. Okay, 75% for the community. It doesn't say private investors, which is hedge funds and VC in Silicon Valley that dump on us retail. 75% community. Airdrop, ecosystem fund, liquidity incentive, treasury, etc., etc. Let's see, adding liquidity early, 75% of all token. Thus, Sonic is the community. Basically, it's Uniswap on ICP. So, how do we get started? If you don't have an ICP wallet, install the ICP plug. I will link below as well as the end of this video how to old tutorial how to actually get into the ICP ecosystem, but I will leave as well a link for basically this website plug. You know, just get the wallet. You need the wallet. It looks like this. Okay, so you get yourself a wallet. I got a little ICP. I'm gonna show you how to send money from Coinbase to ICP, so we can do this Uniswap Sonic coin. Basically, click deposit, This is very important key. You need to pick account ID, not copy ID. I didn't know that. Luckily, it doesn't send. It just says error. So I'm gonna show you that exactly. Step 1, go to the app Sonic Swap. You need to rep first. We need to send money ICP from Coinbase to plug wallet. Rep our ICP to rep ICP to WICP. So you send from one ICP to rep ICP. Don't ask me in the comments how many do you need. I don't know. They don't say. I don't know if there's a minimum. I will just send 5, but like $100. That's what I'm doing in this video. But you can do more, you can do less. No one knows. Swap half of your rep ICP for XTC. So we're gonna do a swap. We're gonna do liquidity, and we're gonna add the pool rep ICP XTZ review supply, check liquidity, and he provided liquidity. That's all for providing liquidity. And you can join the Discord if you want and do other stuff. So let's start by actually doing this. So this is the website, okay? App.Sonic swap, everything below, including Patreon link if you want to support this channel. And I want to buy the dip. Anywho, go to Coinbase if you're a USA person. If you're not, Binance probably, all that stuff. I want to send ICP to my wallet. I'm going to show you ICP, how much I have. Let's send all. 4, okay. Let's send, okay, because they took, that's crazy. The fee when I send one was 1 penny. So I'm gonna send 3.99, and I'm gonna, so basically they took 1 penny fee. I'm gonna go to my plug wallet. Okay, we're now opening our plug wallet. I assume you already downloaded it. You put your password, C phrase, all that stuff, put it somewhere safe. Very important. Now you're gonna click deposit. Okay, you have to, this is not it. If you do this, copy, let me show. If you do this, just copy your account one and you put it in here, invalid email. Okay, invalid email address. So you can't do that. That's crazy. That's I think maybe that's why they went down from 700 bucks to 20. But who knows? I assume they will fix it. Coinbase integration, all that stuff. So you cannot, first you need to buy ICP. You cannot send from this one. You can't just copy paste to clipboard. You need to click deposit. Okay, very important. Click deposit. Pick the coin. You're just gonna pick ICP because that's what Coinbase have. You're gonna click continue. Okay, and now you got two more options. Option one, if you copy here, this is from another plug account. This is not what we're doing. This is what we need from exchange or account ID. Use when receiving from other exchanges, other app that to support account ID. You're gonna copy this one, account ID, and you're gonna change this to this basically. Okay, and now it says ICP address. That's it, ICP address. Okay, so you gotta do those steps, otherwise it will not send you, which is insane. I don't know how it is on Binance, but I'm doing this on Coinbase. Click continue, pay with internet computer, continue. Let me see what's going on. I'm gonna put the code. Internet computer, look at this. Coinbase fee 0, network fee 0.0001 ICP. That's not bad coin to, maybe if we are going into a bear market, to start, I don't know, get like 100. If that 100 goes back to 700 bucks where it started, that's $700,000. You know, who knows? Maybe 5 years from now, who knows? It's 20 bucks. That's down of like what, 96-97% from all-time high. No brainer, not a financial advice. Click send now. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm gonna put my code in. Okay, put the code, send 3.9998 ICP. This transaction usually takes a few seconds. Okay, so let's see that this is done. I'm gonna go back here to the actually website, Sonic website. Click on plug wallet, and let's I don't know how you can even refresh. You just click on tokens, and now it says my balance is 4.04 because I had 5 and I played around with this app. So now with this 4 ICP, we're gonna do the steps in order to get 75% of the total airdrop, which is, think about it for a second. If a coin drops, I don't know, supply of let's say 10 million coins, then 7.5 million coins will go to us. Wow. Subscribe and pet share. Let's just, this is good. This is I don't know when, probably a couple of months from now. Don't ask me, hey, I did this now, and the next day there's no coin yet. And no, don't do that. Okay, we're planting seeds for the future. Anyway, we got ourselves 4 ICP. So let's do, first of all, as they say, click swap. We need to swap ICP to Wrap ICP. This is step 1. So we click swap. You click ICP, and you're gonna change the whole thing to Wrap ICP. You can do the whole thing 4. Let's do just 4. Leave a little bit for fees, but it doesn't really matter because the fees are absolutely nothing. Look at this. I switch 9, and then my fee is less than 0. It's crazy good. So I can do even the whole thing. So 0.402. Okay, because I'm greedy. I don't know what it is. Deposit Wrap ICP to Sonic. What is this? If you keep your token deposit in Sonic instead of withdraw to plug, can start swap, add liquidity faster. I don't want to do it faster. Click wrap. Okay, and this is nice. Look at this, is really nice. Look at this plug. For some reason you need to do I need to yeah, for some reason the plug wallet is not 100% like done, like MetaMask or Zachary. Watch my video from a few days ago. Click confirm. Basically you do this, and now it says ledger transfer ICP. We are wrapping our ICP. Please wait some time for transaction to finish. So now we're sending basically ICP to wrap ICP. This is not done, and now it says minting. This is cool. And while I'm wait, I'm gonna drink a cup of sip of coffee, and you feel free to tell me a joke. This is a time for you guys to tell me a joke, so go ahead, I'm listening. Dunkin', because market is crashing and I don't have enough to buy Starbucks, so I have to buy Dunkin'. Subscribe. No, actually I buy Dunkin' in the morning because this is super close to my place, like 5-10 minutes. But Starbucks is like 15 minutes and another 10 minutes wait time. So coffee for Starbucks is like after 4 p.m. and Dunkin' is like 8-9 in the morning, something like that. Anywho, tell me your coffee routine as well. I would like to know. Anyway, so now we don't have ICP, but we do have 4 Wrap ICP. Let's go back to our plug wallet, see what we got. It doesn't update automatically, so you click on tokens again, and now you got yourself Wrap ICP 4.17, which is $90. Cool. And ICP 0 and a little bit of XTC. This is what we're doing next. Now you're gonna switch between your Wrap ICP max 417, not yet. In order to add liquidity, you need to send Wrap ICP 50% and XTC 50%. Why? Because that's what the guide says so. Which position? Go to liquidity, choose create position, and enter the amount Wrap ICP XTC to LP and confirm. Okay, and swap half of Wrap ICP for XTC. So these are the steps. So let's do those steps. I got 417, so let's do 2 point, I don't know. Let's start with 2. How much is 2? I'm getting 30. Okay, I got 217, so let's do 2.08. That's 31. Let's say 32. How much is 32? If I do this, I can change from here. Good to know. Okay, so I'm doing 2 Wrap ICP and XTZ. I'm gonna do 35. Okay, that's fine. So basically you're doing 50 Wrap and 50 XTZ. Click review. Okay, this is just a swap. I'm gonna get 32. Okay, pending. Look at this. Now you got 1 2 3 4 steps. Interesting. Look at this. This is nice. Approve. You need to approve. You need to read all of this if you want. Okay, and now we wait. So I'm gonna pause, but basically it needs to check mark 1 2 3 4 steps. Oh, it's kind of fast. So you know what, I'll wait, because the longer the video, YouTube pays me more. And I'm starting, just an FYI, I have started, not a financial advice, position in Cosmos. I'm gonna build my Cosmos Atom bag. I'm gonna send it to Cosmos Atom wallet. Watch the video how to get yourself what's it called, Kepler wallet, stake it. Because I've seen, I'm gonna do a video about Cosmos as a whole. I've seen that this year, 2022, all the airdrops that we missed in the last 3 months, we missed like 20 airdrops or something just by staking Atom. I don't want to miss anymore. There's gonna be like 200 more projects launching on Cosmos this year. And if only, I don't know, half of them do airdrops to Cosmos stakers, we all gonna make it. So yeah, let's effing go. Yeah, I'm pumped. I got my Duncan and I'm pumped. And if this was valuable, of course, subscribe. Let's keep going. So now this is done. Let's click on, I don't know, there's too much caffeine in me this morning. I'm excited. So now we have ourselves Wrap ICP. It's not updated yet. It needs to be 2 and 2. As it says here that I have 30 and 2. So this is updated, but the plug wallet is not updated. I've done it before. You need to wait like a little bit. Click on activity. Let the let the wallet sync and everything like that. And now it's sync. See? So now we got Wrap ICP, we got 2.09, and we got Cycles XTC about 31.8, 45 bucks, 45 bucks. You don't need ICP, maybe just a couple of pennies for fees. And now we're gonna click liquidity provider, earn 0.3% fee of all trade proportional to the share of the pool. Fees are added to the pool, occur in real time, can be claimed by withdrawing your liquidity. If you want to learn, review. Okay, so I don't need to create position. I already done that. But basically, if you create a position, you just go here and you pick your Wrap ICP and XTZ basically. But since I already have a position, you see I already done this with one ICP. I'm just gonna click plus add liquidity, and now I'm gonna put my max 209, and this one's gonna give me 32. So let's do 209. Let's see if I have enough. Still 32. Let's do 208. 3197. Let's do 3196. Should be good. So I'm putting 207 Wrap ICP and almost 32 XTZ. Review supply. Okay, we need to do this. And I'm gonna get another 7.9 LP share of the pool, 0.01%. Confirm. And now it's gonna add all those stuff. You're gonna you can read all about it. Click confirm. Sure. Let's see what's next. Did I confirm? I did. Okay, interesting. This is a nice Ethereum is just Ethereum, but if they don't fix the fees, the competitions are getting better, the technology is getting better, crypto as a whole is getting better. Don't just focus on Bitcoin price. And yeah, that's basically it. And open your mind to what's possible, especially if we are in a bear market. This is the time to actually pay attention to crypto and accumulate more and more solid long-term coins, not rug pools and all that stuff. Okay, add liquidity LP in progress. Please wait some time from transaction to finish. So you approve deposit, add LP of this and this. Basically, let's see what we got in here. Dum da dum da 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 dum. Okay, and okay, so this is done basically. XTC slash Wrap ICP LP token total is 9.4. So I got this total value is $100, and hopefully they won't say, hey, you need like $1,000, $500. Hopefully they will say you need like one ICP or something like that. I don't know. Basically, let's see if there's anything else in the article. We added liquidity. Now you can check your liquidity position. You see he has 1.88, so he did $20. I did $100. Providing liquidity. You may also want to join Discord. I will check that. You can do the same. Become an active member, but to have higher chances of retroactive. For me, this is done. I hope this was valuable. I'll see you next time. Yeah.